Illustration of homa bird. The Vedas speak of the homa bird. It lives very high in the sky. There the mother bird lays her egg. She lives so high that the egg falls for many days. While falling it is hatched. The chick continues to fall. That also goes on for many days. In the meantime the chick develops eyes. Coming near the earth, it becomes conscious of the world. It realizes it will meet certain death if it hits the ground. Then it gives a shrill cry and shoots up toward its mother. The earth means death, and it frightens the young bird. It then seeks its mother. She dwells high up in the sky, and the young bird shoots straight up in that direction. It doesn't look anywhere else. Those who are born as the companions of an incarnation of God are eternally perfect. For some of them that birth is the last. To Vijay, you have both yoga and bhoga. King Janaka also had yoga and bhoga. Therefore he is called a Rajarshi. Both king and seer. Narada was a Devarshi, and Sukadeva a Brahmarshi. Yes, Sukadeva was a Brahmarshi. He was not a mere Janani. He was the very embodiment of jnana, divine knowledge. Whom do I call a Janani? A man who has attained knowledge and has done so after much effort. Sukadeva was the very image of knowledge. In other words, a form of concentrated knowledge. He attained knowledge spontaneously, without any labor. Saying this, Sri Ramakrishna came down to the normal mood. Then he talked freely with the devotees. The master asked Kedar to sing. Kedar sang, "How shall I open my heart? O friend, it is forbidden me to speak. I am about to die, for lack of a kindred soul to understand my misery." Kedar sang several other songs. After the music the master again talked to the devotees. Nandalal, Kashab's nephew, was also present with a few Brahmo friends. They were sitting near the master. Master, to Vijay and the other devotees. A man brought a bottle of consecrated wine for me, but I couldn't even touch it. Vijay, ah, master, I become intoxicated at the mere thought of God. I don't have to take any wine. I feel drunk at the very sight of the Sharanamrita. I feel as if I had drunk 5 bottles of liquor. When a person attains such a state he cannot help discriminating about food. Narendra, as regards food, one should take whatever comes. Master, what you say applies only to a particular state of the aspirant's mind. No food can harm a Janani. According to the Gita, the Janani himself does not eat. His eating is an offering to the Kundalini. But that does not apply to a bhakta. The present state of my mind is such that I cannot eat any food unless it is first offered to God. By a Brahmin priest formerly my state of mind was such that I would enjoy inhaling the smell of burning corpses, carried by the wind from the other side of the Ganges. It tasted very sweet to me. But nowadays I cannot eat food touched by anybody and everybody. No, I cannot, but once in a while I do. One day I was taken to see a performance of a play at Kashab's house. They gave me luchi and curries to eat. I didn't know whether the food was handed to me by a washerman or a barber. But I ate quite a little. I'll laugh. Rakal had asked me to eat. To Narendra, with you it is all right. You are in this as well as in that. You can eat everything now. To the devotees, blessed is he who feels longing for God, though he eats pork, but shame on him whose mind dwells on woman and gold. Though he eats the purest food, boiled vegetables, rice, and ghee. Once I had a desire to eat dal cooked in a blacksmith's house. From my childhood I had heard the blacksmiths say, "Do the Brahmins know how to cook?" I ate the dal, but it smelt of the blacksmith. I'll laugh. I received the Allah mantra from Govinda Rai. Rice was cooked for me with onions in the kuthi. I ate some. I ate curry in Mani Malik's garden house. But I felt a kind of repulsion to it. When I went to Kamarpakor, Ramlal's father was frightened. He thought I might eat at any and every house. He was frightened to think I might be expelled from the caste. So I couldn't stay long. I came away. Both the Vedas and the Puranas describe pure food and conduct. But what the Vedas and the Puranas ask people to shun as impure is extolled by the Tantra as good.